So, good day everyone, good day ma'am. So, today I will present the decision analysis for the Camila Homes regarding to the 2022 real estate housing project in Southern Mindanao. So, the company must choose between two potential location, which is si Davao and um, si Jensan. As the head of operations research, ma'am, my task is to evaluate the probability, cost, and revenue for both location recommended the most optical choice. So I use the tree plan, which is here, the tree plan, and some new options, and using the change of events. So according to the case, to Camilla Homes need to choose one location inputting the real estate with a 16% of probability. So we need to divert with high-end condominium, median income condominium, and high-end condominium. So there are four categories of Davao, which is the high condominium, medium condominium, high end, and the low. So, Camilla Home is considering two locations for their housing project. Each location has a specific probability approval by the local government according um, according to the either it is high-end condominiums or medium-high condominiums or high-end subdivision, or low-cost subdivision. So additionally, each type of project has associate cost and potential revenues depending on economic conditions. So this analysis, it will compare the expected monetary value for both locations to identify its optimal solution. So as we can see here, ang high-end condominium is this. Um, as we can see here, according to the problem, it's 16% probability. So let's put it 0.16. And also in the medium income, 23, and high-end subdivisions, 43. And also for the low cost subdivision, I'm sorry, this is low cost. Low cost subdivision, will cost of 13%. So the cost of development, regardless of the locations, the development costs are as follow. High-end condominiums are 100 million. So medium income condominiums is 75 million. And also the low-cost subdivisions will consist of 25 million. So the economic conditions and revenues for Davao is uh, based on economic conditions is um, let remember that this is million, right? So let's make it simpler. So um, it costs with 226 million. The medium condominium is 375 million and 476 million. So let's divert the high-end condominium into the three subsections, which are the good economic conditions, steady economic conditions, and low economic conditions. And the same, it goes by other components. And also here in Jensen, no, we can see the categories divert into the three parts also, which are the good economic conditions to low economic conditions. As we can see here, um, it's stated here that um, this is the sum, but we must um, but we must um, but we must minus it with 100, and while the medium income is the 75, and also here we will deduct it by 50 to 25. So as using by the three plan, um, it helps decision analysis leverage probabilities, costs, and revenues to determine the best locations for Camila Homes. So housing project in the Southern Mindanao. So um, by selecting optimal locations, the company can maximize its returns and successfully expand its operation. So therefore, I conclude that the Davao and the Jensen, no? So we will choose the highest, which is the Jensen. and which optimal solutions of 565 point 5 5 and 5 mil 565,249,000. So thank you for listening, and I hope you understand what's all about the 3 plan. So that would be all, and thank you.